See? So what I said about in organizations, okay, different organizations. So what is our IT service organization provide? IT services provide IT service provider provide a service to the customers or clients, different types of services. Okay. It can be application related or web application related or infrastructure related. It can be a storage related or maybe it is mail communication related. Okay. Different organization provide a different types of services to the different types of customers or clients. If customer required something, for example, we are getting a service from Microsoft Office 365 service. For example, I got some issue. I'm working in an organization, but my organization is getting the service, right? So if I got issue, so I have to report to the service desk team. So what is service desk team? If it is resolving from him their self, okay. So they will check it. What is my user ID and password? They'll check the authentications, okay, and they'll try to resolve my issues, okay. So for example, entire organization is getting an issue like they are unable to access any Office 365 kind of stuff. So what they will do it from my organization, the request go to Microsoft. Microsoft verifies what is the issue it is facing by our scientists. So they will check it. So this is an issue because of this you are getting. So this is the solution. So they will either they suggest a solution or maybe they resolve our solution from their end. Okay. Or maybe I want a change of services. For example, same thing. I taken a Microsoft Office. So one kind of edition. So only limited services I am getting. Now I want to increase number of services from the Office 365. Okay. With the Microsoft. So what are the requirements to that one? So may I have to require additional payment or maybe some additional agreement I have to take it. So then, so I will get that services. Okay. So first they will give information. If you customer required an information, providing information. Customer got an issue, resolving the issues. Customer required to change of services. So as per the condition of change of services, do the change. Okay. The service takes will resolve these issues. So finally, the customer or a client should get a solution from the service. Okay. Someone put a message. There is no one is in the lobby. Okay. If anybody is getting an issue, guys, if you are accessing from laptop, okay, first close it, the application, and in the bottom you can see the action menu. So from this Microsoft, just quit the Teams and start open it, or sign out and sign in from your device. If it is a mobile, close the application and start open with the link again. So one second. Where is the it is? Yeah, I put a message so then if they'll try. Okay, so what is the meaning of customer or a client? A person who buys a goods or a service from a shop or a business. Guys, these terminologies are most common terminologies. So when we are like a, you say train means this is a train, this is a railway, So common terminology, there is the functional wise we can able to put a name on it. But uh, compared to like this, the actual meaning is actually different from what we believe, right? So thing is, if I purchase a internet from Airtel or Jio, I'm a customer. For example, my organization take an internet service from my Airtel or maybe Jio or maybe HCL or maybe Ticona or maybe Tata. So that is also I'm a customer. What is the difference? I am an individual customer and organization wise, it is a customer. It is, we can call them as customer or a client. Okay. So that's the wording is what we feel that's the difference. So here it is. I want to explain. See, there's different types of customers based on the things. It is like a, I'm a already given example that is, for example, I'm joining to the organization. I got the laptop, login ID, username. First of all, I have to connect it to the internet, right? So how to connect? So I don't know. So that's because of I don't know the Wi-Fi password kind of stuff, right? What I have to do? So I have to approach the service desk. In the service desk is like a L0, L1 service desk people with there. So they will in this service desk also different people are there. Desktop support people, server engineers, or system administrator, network administrators, like a different people works in under the service desk. So here is the service desktop support engineer should get my information. That is what I need. I need a internet connectivity. This service desk person, either they will approach me or through the network, they will suggest how to connect to the internet. For suppose I got a join in an organization, I required some application to be installed in my PC. For example, Office, Microsoft Office has to be installed in my PC for the work. Okay, or maybe Microsoft Teams has to be installed in my PC, or Outlook should be configured in my PC. So what I have to do? So send that information either by call or by email or maybe directly approach the service desk or self-help portals. Okay, service desk portal is there. Put in that information to the service desk. The service desk give that information to the team, which is who is the person is available to him or the team. So they will going to guide you, or maybe through the remotely, or maybe directly, they will install the required applications or softwares in your system. Okay. So in these cases, where is the service desk? In the same organization only. And where is the users are located in the same organization. So these type of customers, we call it as a internal customers. We call it as a internal customers. What is the internal customer? User or and service desk, technical team or management belongs to the same organization only. Okay. So this is internal customers. What is external customers? I'm an organization providing a certain services to an organization. Okay, this is my organization. For example, this is 70s and this is some ABC organization. I'm providing a service to this organization. Maybe it is application related or infrastructure related, or maybe some procurement means like a system management related services or a network related services, cloud related services. Okay. This ERP based application services. So we are providing a service to this. And we agree with a certain terms and conditions. That is, we call it as a SLA, service level agreement. So this is the service where we define what is the service and what is the condition of services and support information also available inside a service. If customer is getting an issue, we will resolve in this particular time. By this time, we will be resolved. So, as per the customer requirement, what type of support we are providing it. Service and support information we defined in the SLA. Now, the customer is got an issue or maybe a required information, or maybe you want to change of certain services. Okay, what he will do it, he'll try to approach the service desk team. Depends upon the customer, depends upon what service we are providing, depends upon the customer means what type of service we are providing to the customer. That is important. Okay, the customer, the service. So there is a specific team is works for this work project. Exactly what is meant by project. Here it is. So this is the a specific type of is a customer is providing a service. Maybe it is a cloud infrastructure related service, or maybe it is an application supporting services. Okay. So what is the service we are providing it? If any customer is comes with a information requirement or change of services, or maybe you want some access permissions, or maybe the customer got some issues to access something. So there is a specific team working on it. So information directly through the service desk, this team will get it. So it depends upon the issue, who is going to be handle that kind of issue. It will be decided, and that person in the service desk is going to support the customer. These customers, we call it as a external customer because of the work, the client or a customer not in your organization. He's a outside of your organization who is getting your service and the support. So he's external customers. Who is external customers? Also called as a clients. An organization provide IT support to other organization based on the service agreement. Okay. This is external customers. Two types of customers only. One is internal customers, who is belongs to the same organization as service desk and the supporting team. Okay. And who is the external customers? It is an organization who is we are getting a service and support from our organization. You guys understand what is external customer and internal customers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
For example, there is an organization providing different types of services. I'm an individual user. Okay, for example, I am getting a internet connection from the Airtel, or maybe Geo, or maybe from ACT, okay, or maybe from some Hathway. So what happened? So I'm getting a service from this organization. I'm also a customer here. Okay, I'm an external customer. I'm not in the organization. I'm outside of organization means I'm an external customer. Plus, I'm a public customer because of I'm an individual user, not as an organization. Earlier, I told external customers. That is as an organization. This is organization wise. This is individual wise. Same thing. If this user, for example, I'm not getting internet. Yesterday night, I didn't get internet for some time, like afternoon internet is stop working. I didn't mind about because mobile data is there, so we are not working on anything specific that time, so we don't worry. So in generally, if I get an issue, internet is not working, so I have to take a class, internet not working, that is a big issue. So how to approach to the organizations, they're either with their self-help portals or mobile application where the customer care related. So log the complaint that is, I am not getting internet from this time to this time. So they will check that information. They will guide us how to resolve our issues like a initial support, or they will send a specific team or a person in the team to solve my issues. This is also there, but it is public customer. For you, you are how to support either whatever the project, I don't know what technology you are going to work, what project you are going to work, but you have to support to the organization depends upon what service it is providing from the service provider. Okay. So most of your work is to support this type of customer. For example, uh, they're unable to log into their SAP system. So you have to tell them, so their password is expired, change of password, and then with the password, they can able to log in. Simple like that. So within the team itself, it's a different technical expertization are there. Some are server related, some are network related, some are application related, some are storage related. Different expertization people are working under these projects. Okay. So here it is. I given that diagram that is related to this. Okay. So I put everything in one picture only. So instead of writing into separate pictures. Okay, guys, look at here. Either I'm an internal customer or maybe I'm a external customer kind of stuff. But whenever an issue is occur, whenever there is an issue is occur, or whenever a information I required, whenever I want some change of services, when I want some access permissions, I have to ask service desk, right? That is, I have to ask service. I'm a client, so I have to ask the service desk who is providing the services. Their service desk I have to approach, and I have to ask what I want it, right? But where is that information? Where is that information? Where is who is asking the request? Who is raise the issue? Where is that person information? Where is that issue information? Okay, it will be in a specific document that is called a ticket. So whatsoever it can be a hardware related, or it can be a network related, or it can be a server related, or it can be a application related. Okay, or it can be a cloud related, or maybe it can be a process automation related. So okay, so whatever it is kind of thing, okay, it can be an issue, or it can be a request, a service request is like a change of service, or maybe access permissions kind of stuff. The client has to approach the service desk. In the service desk, what will happen, a ticket will be created. Either a service desk person will create the ticket, or maybe the application, service desk application, like a BMC Helix, Freshworks, Service Now. Okay, Service Now. Okay, these are the applications. Whenever a client given information in that one, so it will create a ticket, or maybe a person in the service desk will create a ticket. Okay, so what is this ticket means? It contains information about user, who is the person actually request for a support, and its organization, its location, when it is occur, what is the type of information support requirement? Is it a service related or maybe issue related? What type of support is required, and what is required? What is the client is required? That information is available in this ticket. All service desk events starts with a ticket. Without a ticket, I can't proceed. For example, I'm a service desk person and you are the client. And you ask for, I want to access your web server through SSH protocol. Okay, is unable to access, is getting an error, you are getting an error. How I have to resolve your issue? I want to resolve your issue means I should know it first. What are the requirement? Who are you? From where you're asking? What is your organization? This information is required, your subscription information, first of all. Second one is what is your requirement? What type of requirement it is? You want to access, or you are while accessing, you are getting error. Okay. What is your thing, right? So that is what I want. Okay. So when it is occur, what kind of error it is? So is any screenshots of error is there? Okay. I'm getting error means okay, what is error? Why it is showing? So that entire information service desk required to understand what exactly a customer is requirement. So then the service desk can able to resolve his issue. Okay, resolve his issues. For example, I deployed 5 servers for a client purpose. There is a 5 servers I am maintaining in our data center. This is a client servers it is. The client required to upload his website into the web server. Okay, yesterday is uploaded, very good, is working. Today is try to connect and change some code, or maybe he's uploading one document to his website, who is in our premises. So what it is unable to it, like he's try to send, so he's unable to doing it. Okay, so what he has to approach me means he has to approach the service desk to do it. So what we will do it, we'll provide a platform. If any issues occur, so he will post in that platform. So then we can able to get it that properly, right? First of all, he has to raise the information, right? So we provide a platform like using OS ticket application, or maybe Service Now, or Jira Desktop, or maybe Joho, or a BMC Helix, or Freshworks. Okay, we'll provide a platform for him. So what he will do, he'll log in and he will give information. Okay, I'm unable to access my remote server with this IP address and with this port number. When I connect it, it is getting this kind of error. So he will provide that information to the service desk. So based on the client, based on the issue, it goes to the specific team. So they will look into it. So this user got an issue, and this is the kind of error it is showing. Based on the error, this is the priority. It is very important, urgent deal, or maybe you can see it later. They will decide, and then they'll investigate what happened, either in the server side and the client side also. Client side, maybe he given wrong password. Everything is good, but is given entering wrong password to upload a file. Okay, maybe is a date and time is different, or maybe the application is whatever the application is using to upload a file, it is not appropriate. Okay, maybe he changed the settings, maybe he given a wrong IP address, maybe wrong port number, so that it is not uploading. So you have to verify that is configuration and our configuration, make sure the our side it is working good and their side what happened, or maybe certificate is expired. So we'll verify all the things and give a proper support to the customer. Do like this, then you will upload and make sure that issue will be resolved and close the ticket. So there is a first term is when you are receive a ticket, open the ticket. So see the ticket contains information based on that, give the support to the customer. So what exactly issue is occur? Talk to that customer, get proper information, why is getting this issue. Once issue is resolved, close the ticket. Again, I'm telling, open the ticket, close the ticket, open the ticket, investigate, resolve the issue, and close the ticket. So these are the steps are there, guys. Okay, a ticket is a historical document that details a service event such as incident, problem, or service report. Ticket governs and control how a service event is proceeded. They are used to route events between different sources for resolution. They record all relevant information about a requesting include user note, technician note, workflow information for how the ticket has handled, ticket resolution, other critical processing information. Okay, so I read it entirely, but again I will tell ticket govern and control how event is service event is proceeded. So tickets will actually information with that information only you can handle the customer requirements. Okay, and the ticket only will notify both the things, what is the customer required, what is the steps you have to taken, or what steps has to be checked or maybe done to solve the issues. That information is also there, and maybe sometimes a single person can able to handle the issue. Sometimes it is required multiple members to involve to resolve the issues. Okay, multiple members result in issue. Sometimes it has to be sent to the higher level of expertization based on the issues also. So how it is become easy because of this ticket, because the ticket contains information about the user organizations and locations, plus user requirements, type of requirements, okay, and handling information is there in the ticket. Details of a issue will be noted in the ticket. Okay, so that is about a ticket. Ticket can document a single incident or request. In one ticket, it can be is related to an incident means issue, or it can be a request like a access related or maybe information related kind of things in the ticket, or it can be grouped together like a several incidents as a single column like that. One ticket can be there. Ticket is a backbone of your service desk. Ticket is a backbone of your service ticket. Please use it for every single service item hits the service desk. What is the ticket? Whatever the things come to the service desk, ticket will be created. Okay. Anything, any questions, guys? Please ask me in the questions manner. So then this for me easy. Here is a blog called a simple blog from BMC Remedy. Okay, it is give details about a ticket, incident, problem, and service ticket. Okay, so when you have a time, please read about this small blog from the BMC. And there is a small access video. I have created this one for explaining how to log in kind of stuff, but it is a very old video. Okay, the current login to the BMC is different from olden days. Okay, so simple. It is a BMC is an application used for a, IT service management. Okay, BMC is an organization provide a different type of solutions related to the IT. One of the solution is IT service management related. IT service management related. This is IT service management. Okay, so and you can read related kind of stuff. Also, you can try free trials and demo. There you can find BMC Helix ITSM. Find out where it is. I think it is only one. And you have to fill the data, just like any data you can fill, okay? Because it is asking for a business email ID. Okay, give the details. Don't give your Gmail, won't work here. And the phone number also don't give, not required to give some exact number. Give something like you are a IT professional, country is India because time zone is important. Okay, province, any place you can give. Where is our province? Yeah, I will give this one. You can select everything. But there is a problem is occurred from last to one. So because earlier, if you click like this, what it will show, it will take you to the demo directly. Now it is asking the email forwarding. So you will receive an email. Um, so then from the email only you can able to access. So this BMC part is now we cannot able to do the demo work. Okay. Okay. That's the problem. So only thing is this um, service desk demo. So where we can able to see so how the tickets are occurs and all kind of stuff. I think. Yeah, and there is another two videos are there. So these are the two important video link guys. Today compulsory go through it. Take the time today or and one video today, another link tomorrow. Just go through these things. This is compulsory. Okay. It's must watch kind of stuff. Take one. Okay. Next day, take another one. And these are the demo kind of stuff, which is actually on the real-time machines. Like as I said, now there are real-time service desk people are available that time. So we have take given a demo with the help of them, with the help of Sai processor and the other Naresh and one more person is also there. Okay. Manvit, I think this is Manvit's demo and this is a Nagesh demo. So both are in a private videos. So don't share links to others, like a friends. Okay, within yourself, watch it, understand it, guys. You will understand what is the service desk exactly. I'm telling normally, but they will explain what is their project. So you will understand how the service desk project is look like. Okay, what is the project they are working and what are the technologies they know it, what is the ticket, how they will get the ticket, how they will look into the ticket, how they will support to the customers, what type of tickets, what is their priorities. The clear-cut explanation is there in these two demos. It is help you to understand what is the service desk, what is the ticket, types of ticket, and you what are the doubts you have it, like what is the technology involvement here. So that also kind of stuff, it will be understandable. Okay, guys, this one. No one is speaking. Nothing, no response.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
These two already I sent to the WhatsApp, guys. Okay. Take one today and tomorrow also watch another one. So you will understand the real how the ticket this working like raising the ticket kind of stuff, you will understand. Okay. I have my own demo setup is there, but that is a real-time demo. That is what they are showing. That is a real working demo it is. Okay. My demo is only for us, only for our understanding, not for everyone. Okay. So once again, guys, the tickets are three types: incident ticket, service request ticket, and alert ticket. Mainly, in generally, depends upon the organization to organization, the ticket types will be maybe added. But in the tickets, I am telling in a general way. One is incident ticket, another one is service request ticket, another one is alert ticket. What is meant by this incident ticket? What is the incident ticket? Any issue is occur. Any issue is occur. Incident means unplanned interruption to the service. For example, the client is accessing our server. The server is running. Okay, client is accessing it. The server is down. Suddenly, the client is not able to access the service, and he has to do some upload some updated project details. It is a incident, high priority incident it is. He has to upload some project, completion project is there, new version should be uploaded, some release is there. He has to do it into our server, and server is down. That is, service is down. So obviously he cannot able to do it, right? It is an incident, unplanned interruption to the IT services. For example, take make my trip application, make my trip, or a book my show. You open and application is not working. Application is not working. For you, maybe sad, but the company who is actually make my trip company get a loss, right? What make my trip company will do it? So they raise the information to the person who is maintaining their servers. Make my trip application is who is maintaining this application are as servers. So they will raise the issue to that service provider. Why the site is down, right? It is a incident. Service request. Another type of ticket is service request. For example, a user required a installation of application. Maybe he forget a password. Maybe he want to access the another server, or maybe he want to increase the server capacity by extra RAM adding. Okay, or maybe you want some update to the kind of stuff or upgradations. It is all service request. Maybe he want a VPN connectivities, or maybe he want to change some database background. So that's a backend database. You want to change it. It is also a service request. It's all about maybe a standard change, or a want to get information, or maybe access permissions. These are all in the service request. What is a alert ticket? It is alert. Alert means it's a kind of notification or alarm. Okay. For example, so I am monitoring the entire infrastructure. All of a sudden, there is a server is down, or maybe a disk is full. Alert is generated. So we'll take this alert and put it into the service desk ticket. So then the relevant people, the team, which is actually has to look after these things, will get that information. They will rush and we're going to resolve with the solutions. Okay. Alert means any infrastructure wise, any issues occur. It can be a network related, or maybe a server related, or maybe application related, or maybe it is storage related, whatever it is, any threshold is reached, or maybe any change is occur, or maybe any sudden down is occur, maybe failure is occur, it send an alert. So that alert is become now as a ticket. It creates automatically, there is a software take these alerts and create a ticket and send the ticket to the appropriate team. So they will look after what is happening and try to resolve the issue as soon as they got that alert. And also you can say alert alarms kind of stuff, guys. So basically the tickets are three types. One is incident ticket, another one is service request ticket, another one is alert ticket. Okay, understand guys, three types of tickets.
Yes, sir.
Here is priority and impacts. As I said guys, there is a ticket is generated. Ticket is generated, very good, but there is a problem. It is, for example, I raise the ticket, so my system is down. Yes, that is a ticket, an issue. My system is not working. That is an issue. Okay. It is a kind of issue. One second, I will set this thing. Unable to connect them. HTTPS, no, not HTTPS, it's HTTP. All my sets are HTTP. 172. Who put a 172? I typed correct only. Maybe there is a problem in this server. Actually, it is good. It is actually, it has to be work. And anything, I cannot able to connect. I want to check why. Is it network connection issue? No network connection issue. It is because network is good, but it is not pinging also. So when it is showing an IP address, good, but it is not getting an IP address from. It is got an IP address, but why it is not pinging and why cannot able to connect it? Okay. Why it is unknown? Once again. Okay, up to default gateway, I can able to ping. To me, I can able to ping. Sign out to google.com. No, it is working. Maybe this will also work. At least this. Why not? Why not? Why it is forcing you to go for HTTPS? It is not HTTPS, right? So we'll take. Okay, guys, some application issue is occurred, I think, after update. Okay, so I will check that one. So I will continue. Sorry. Okay. So any incident is occur. Generally, an incident alert or a service request is occurred, but which solution you have to take? Which one you have to handle first? Okay. What is it? An issue is occur. Which one you have to go and fix it first? You got 5 issues at a time. Which one you have to handle it first? Which one you handle it later? Which one you may handle it evening or maybe tomorrow? Okay. So which issue? All issues you have got it, like 5 issues, 10 issues, all are in your service desk queue only. Which one is you have to handle the first one? What is that called? Anyone? Hmm? You got so many issues at home. 10 o'clock, you have a class. And your friend asks you to go, we'll go outside to for some uh, for a fun shopping kind of stuff. Just like for time pass, we feel have to go outside. Your mom said you have to go and bring some milk from the shop. Okay, 10 o'clock, my class is there, technical class. Okay, and your friend ask you, we'll go to the outside just for roaming. Um, okay, maybe just for fun, you are going to for fun. And your mom asks you to go and bring some groceries to home. Which one is you give more? Which one you will do it first? Or which one you are going to handle? Anyone? Any answer? Okay.
Sir, class.
Whatever the ticket will be solved soon, the ticket will solve soon. Like incident ticket will be solved within 30 to 40 minutes. It take 1 hour time, so we'll solve it soon first. After that, which takes lots time, we'll consider it for the last priority.
Okay, good. Very good. One point we got it. So sometimes some issues will be resolved very less of the time. That will take first and resolve it. Some issues may take longer the time, will take it later. Okay, good. That is good idea. Anyone? Any another?
Highly effective one.
Highly effective. Okay, good. Will take first more. Very good. That's the point. Okay. So both we can take consider. So, but no one is answered my another question. That is, which one is you'll handle first? All are it happen same time. Hmm? If mom asks go and bring you groceries, you have a class. Your friend asks you want to go outside, then no class. Okay, right? Yeah, very good. That's the
Whichever
good
we
thing is.
like, we'll do it first.
So, yeah, very good. That's the good one. Okay. So here it is, depends upon the impact. Here it is, Depends upon the impact we are going to handle it. Okay. So for example, I am a user. I am unable to get problem. So I am an internal user. So I said my laptop is not working. Suddenly stop working. What is the impact? I am taking the class. I am handling the class. If my laptop is currently not working or currently not connecting to the team. So what happened? Currently my team is not working. So what happened? I will take class tomorrow, no problem, right? It is not high impact. It is impact is there, but low impact. So depends upon that, I will give to the low priority. The service desk will give low priority and it will can be handled later. For example, same laptop, maybe my laptop, I have to attend a meeting, it's a client meeting, which is the end of our project, or maybe we are explaining our project. Okay, it is very important, right? So morning 10 o'clock I came, 10:30 I got a meeting, but I opened my Microsoft Teams, not working. Suddenly my system not working, my team is not working. So I give this information to the service desk. This emergency because the client will be connected 10 or 30 and by the time so my system should be ready. Otherwise it impact on me and my impact on a organization, right? How to explain this project status or maybe project details or maybe completion of project details. Maybe I have to release some project details. Okay. So that is high impact. So give more priority. Both the time it is a laptop issue only. Both the time Microsoft Team issue only. But which is more priority? So I given more priority to the person who required to connect to the clients, not to connect to the class. If both occurs at a time, it means we change the priority levels automatically. So this is give high priority and this will give low priority. We'll resolve it later. Maybe it is not because it is won't give any production loss immediately. What is the production loss will occur? Based on that we'll do it. For example, another example, I am not getting connected. Internet is not connecting. Some cable issues occur. It is an issue. It is an issue. I'm not getting connected. So I'm an issue. I'm not getting internet. There is an issue. The whole team is not getting connected. It is higher impact. It impacts on more customers. Okay, impact on a more customers. Server is down. On the server, there is a 5 times clients are working on it. So there is a production issues occur. So there is a loss occurred. For example, as I said, Make My Trip application is down. On the Make My Trip, lot of people are clients working like they are booking tickets. Okay, Make My Trip server is down. So then it is an impact on a huge customer base. So based on the impact analysis, you have to prioritize the issues. We have to prioritize the issues. What is an issue? What is the impact of the issues? You have to prioritize. Okay. So that is a simple. Give the analyze the impact. So on the customers and customer issues. So first analyze the impact and prioritize the issues. These are the general priorities like a P1, P2, P3, P4. P4 is a low priority, P3 medium priority, P2 high priority, P1 very high or urgent or a critical priority. Okay. In some organization use only 3 priority levels. Some are use 4, some are use 5. Okay. So name little bit changes, but generally like this only. High priority, very high priorities, medium priorities, and low priorities. Sometimes they use high priority for P1, medium priority for P2, low priority for a P4, very low priority like that. They will use it. Depends upon the organization names. But thing is, like that only. Almost all it is same for most of organizations. Because I have taken from the different people means or real-time working people only. Okay. These are the different priorities. To understand the priority levels and ticket types, as I said, please watch these two videos. What is SLA? Service level agreement. As I said, what is a service level agreement? From service provider to the client will give a document called a service level agreement, which is contains about a service and support related information. In this part, I will tell in a service level agreement in a little different way. Is a any issue is occur, any incident ticket is occur, any issue is occur, so you have to respond immediately. You have to respond immediately. So whenever issues occur, open it and give response. Yes, we are looking into it. We'll get back you too soon. Like that. Thank you for your confidence. We'll get back you to the soon. Like that, you have to give either with a small response or with some initial information. You have to give the response. Resolution means you have to resolve the issues. After response, you have to start investigating what is an issue and start resolving an issues and resolve it by the given time. Guys, in the SLA depends upon the service and depends upon the client. So we agree with the different time levels based on the priorities. And we define the priority levels differently in the different project wise. For example, again, this example is like a maybe, yeah, we'll take Java T point or w3schools.com. Okay, one website, for example, we are responsible to maintain this website, for example. Okay, so suddenly the site is stop working. Someone want to read that what is what a SQL. Okay, so that it is not displaying properly, it is throwing in errors. It's not connecting. So my organization provide and maintenance of Java T point website, for example, just for example, think like this. Okay. And my SLA agreements are like this. Okay. My SLA agreements are maybe like this. It's not a very serious part. So the team is agree if any P1 issue means complete server is down, complete service is not accessing. Okay. So we'll be resolved in 1 hour. If any case some part work not working, like a Java T point developer want to add some pages, issues occur, so we will resolve in 4 hours. Okay, so certain part of things are not loading properly, pictures are not loading. Okay, maybe there is an issue with some areas it is not working. Like that, we will prioritize the issue based on the priority. Will give a support time limits like a response time and resolution time will define in the SLA. Think like this. For example, same web related support, but it is now it is make metric or maybe book my show or maybe it is a Zomato. Okay, so whatsoever it is okay. But it is continuously users are using, right? So continuously people searching for flights, hotel booking, kind of stuff, train booking, bus booking. People do different kind of stuff in this website. So a lot of production value is there. This is just a reading website. Okay. The seriousness is very less. But this is the seriousness, the impact on the customer and business is very high. So what I have to agree? I have to agree to go with a different type of approachment. So I am providing a service support to the organization, like who is maintaining this make metric, who is the owning this make metric website. Okay, I am maintaining their website, but they are owning the website. So what is my service agreement? It is always if any high priority is occur. So immediately I said I will resolve him within 15 minutes to 30 minutes maximum time. I will resolve it. Within a 1 hour, I will resolve it. Within a 4 hours, I will resolve it. I will within 8 hours, like that. So depends upon the impact on the business. Analyze the priority based on the priority and resolve the issues within the given time. Okay, so that is what SLA means. If you do not, you are violating SLA. For example, so there is a P2 ticket is occur. We have to resolve within the 4 hours. It's a P2 ticket, and it is you have to resolve the P2 ticket within the 4 hours. And 4 hours completed, issue is not resolved, then you are violating SLA. Based on the number of violations, you have to face the problems, either as a person or as the organization also will face it. So depends upon the project, depends upon the type of support, depends upon the level of business and impact on the customer and business, the time time levels of response and resolution time will be different from one project to another project. It means depends upon the support. Okay, depends upon organizations. Okay, not always for a same mark. Okay, means my organization depends upon my client, depends upon his business. We'll tell one type of response time and resolution time. Another client, I will agree with another type of response and resolution time, depends upon his business, impact, per minute billings, okay, customer losses, business losses. So we have to calculate all the things. We'll give the timelines. Within the timelines, you have to resolve the issues. Okay. Guys, understand ticket types and priorities. 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good guys. I got a call just. Okay. So finally, so I will tell up to here and we'll take a break. What is a service desk? Till now, I said service desk, but where is the definition of service desk? It is, guys, when you hear a service desk, is the only important key point of service desk is single point of contact. A single point of contact. Service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Okay, service desk is intended to provide a single point of contact to meet the communication needs of both user and IT employees. Means both user, client, or customer side. Another side is the IT employees who is working on that project, who is providing the service, who is maintaining the servers, who is maintaining applications, who is developing an applications, who is testing that application, deploying applications. All these teams are under service desk. All our people are there only. There is no separate people here there. Okay. Service desk is a terminology. That's it. Okay. So here it is. If customer has got an issues, he has to approach with a for a solution, right? He has to approach for a person to get a solution. But he don't know who is going to resolve his issues. He don't know who is the person is available or who is the person going to resolve his issues. So there is a platform between this service desk and IT employees called a service. Sorry, between the client or a customer or users to the IT employees, there is a platform called a service desk. Of course, the service desk is a platform. There's people working in the service desk is called a service desk analyst. Different roles in of a service desk is there, like a system administrator, network administrator, application deployment people, application release management people. Okay, different people are there in the service desk. All are under IT employees, all are under service desk only. Okay. So what is the service desk will do it? It give initial support to the customer, understand customer issues or requirement, provide information to the customer, provide information to customer, escalate in issues if it is they cannot able to handle, they will go for a higher technical expertise. Handling tickets like a cricket management, raising the ticket or monitoring the ticket status closings also done by the service desk. It makes satisfy both customer needs, IT provider objective. Customer needs, we can understand what their queries, change of services, issue resolutions, that is customer needs. IT service provider objective is providing a service continuously. Make sure that customer is getting a service. That is a service provider objective. Okay, and there is also there I have to deal with the different terminologies like events, alerts, incidents, problems, change of services, service request kind of stuff, monitoring infrastructure to make sure that their infrastructure is giving working properly or not. Any issues is occur, any alerts are occur, we'll go and try to resolve that issues immediately. That is alert tickets. And also understanding of SLAs with our clients and OLAs and UCs with our organizations. What does the service desk analyst will do it? Service desk analyst provide technical support to the customers and employees. In companies, in some companies, in generally, the statement is in generally you handle the technology duties such as software installations, troubleshooting, and maintenance of a computer health. You respond to the phone calls, emails, live chats, and other communication means. Guys, this is another one. It is a top 25 help desk questions, interview questions also there. It is from Guru 99. You can try this thing anytime to solve certain type of questions. Okay. So up to here, I'm going to tell. Yeah, this from this part, after some time, it means point is read up to here and go through these two videos. So then you will get an idea, clear picture of what is the service desk, what are the different technologies involved in this service desk part. Okay, what people will do in the service desk, you will get it. First thing. Second one is about yeah. Either I will check with the sir if you have a technical session in afternoon or not. Okay, because I have a technical section with other batch. So there is a little dilemma. If not, then you can we'll meet you tomorrow. If it is there, we'll meet you in afternoon. Okay. Yeah. This is
This
not okay. Very good. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm just trying to open a site, which is why it is not working. System CTL. Failed. Failed. Why it is failed? It is enabled. Why it is failed? Now it is working. Okay. So if possible, I will show you tomorrow about this site. Okay. So what is that? I have created my one. So for a demo purpose, I will show how the tickets will be generated, who are the agents, how we can able to divide, everything we can able to show. Yeah, we can leave, guys. That's it for today.
Okay, sir.